Inside my Edit Menu Item function, I see that in my render template, I'm passing in 3 variables that my Edit Menu Item.html file is going to have access to: the restaurant ID, the menu ID, and I, which is going to represent the item we want to edit. So to edit a new menu item, I'm going to create a form, just like I did when I created a new menu item. Inside the form, I'm going to call my Edit Menu Item function with the appropriate parameters. Here I'll prompt for the name of the new menu item and create an input field. Using the placeholder attribute of HTML, I can have that field already filled out with the name of the item I'm going to edit. I'll then add a button called Edit, and here I create another link to cancel, just in case I realize I actually don't want to edit my menu item. When I save and run, I see that I can now change the name of my menu items. The solution code for this video is available in the instructor notes.